Hey, this is your Hollywood maintenance. This is what's happening. Just starts counting down. Here's the model number. Leave a link in the description below. Already know what's happening with this. It's gonna be this part right here.
You are?
Cool.
Yeah, I got Coke and root beer in the fridge or some lemonade if you want it.
Alright, cool.
Yep.
And the part number is right here. Leave that in the link in the description below. And show you what to do. First, I always unplug it because we're going to be messing with that board. And turn this around. Careful. You take this back panel off here. The board's going to be on this side. Right here is part of the board. So we're going to take this back panel off, unplug it, just take it out, and put it back in. Alright. Got this back off. It just was a couple of screws. And here's that part over here. We're just going to start unplugging it. And then we're going to lift up on it over here. Pull it forward this way. And then take it out and put the new one in. Okay, got it out. Took off the two screws that were right here. Picked up on it. See how it hooks in right here. Picked up on it. Got some of these things out right here. Now we're just gonna unplug everything. You gotta take this cover off. See this? You have to undo these tabs, take this cover off. Alright, back here we got the lid off. We're trying to get it off. It has a lot of stupid tabs on it. We even had to come through here. Make sure you have a skinny enough screwdriver. Alright, now we're just gonna unplug and plug in where we see it. Alright, we pulled it off, plugged everything back in. There's the old one. Where it's messed up, I have no clue. But we're gonna give it a shot. Put it back in reverse. Alright, we have the back hook back on. We have the part back in. Have the water on. I'm gonna give it a whirl. That was it. So if you're ever having the countdown on your washer, it's that part. I'll leave the, so you can leave the description. Hopefully you can have it sent to your house and go from there. Thanks for watching.